The E. Americana completely eliminated tumor cells and achieved 100% rate across all treated animals. That seems almost too good to be true, doesn't it?
It does. It does. So that means every time they injected this bacteria into the tail vein, the tumors disappeared completely without fail every single time. And they actually did reintroduction experiments. So they reintroduced the cancers to the same mice whose tumors disappeared, and the tumors couldn't grow. It had immune memory. The mice had immune memory as a result as well. So, I mean, that's also very promising. So it's crazy. Nobody's really investigating bacterium for eliminating cancer. There's GMO bacterium that have been developed, but those are dangerous. This is natural. And so, we really got to hone in on this, test it in more mice, more cancer types, find the safety, find the dosing, and then eventually, move on to humans. And you have to remember, there's easy fails. Basically, if you inject it and something goes wrong and it starts to infect other organs, which could happen possibly, an antibiotic will, cut that off. And so there's an exit mechanism if something went wrong. So that's the other good point about it.
I mean, at the end of the day, this is amazingly great news, right?
But in the meantime, we need independent scientists on this. We can't let it be suppressed.
How do you? First of all, that seems like a crazy idea. Hey, let's take some bacteria from a frog's gut, see if that cures cancer. How did they come up with that idea?
Good question. Good question. They must have had an idea previously, some previous research, and just the understanding that these amphibians don't usually get cancer. So they thought, maybe there's something in them, in these amphibians and the reptiles, that might be able to fight cancer. And they went to the microbiome, thinking perhaps that was a reason. And maybe it is. Maybe it is.
Well, we're finding out how important your gut microbiome is to your overall health.